Students, in this video we are going to learn how to simplify a boolean expressions of three variable using Karnaugh map. Okay, so here it is ABC. So for three variables Karnaugh map we need that we know we have 8 combinations. 8 combinations means M0, M1 to up to M7. Okay, so at first draw the Karnaugh map table and put the values of 1 in this main term. So for 8 variable, one single variable A is there, it is 0 and 1, and for BC it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, and I have told you that don't write M0 M1 within this table. You just write here like this way, like order, for order, so that you can place the value properly. M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Okay, because 0 is there, so M2 is there. Now we put the value 1. 1 means M1. It is for 1. For 3, 3 means M3. This is M3. Put 1. For M7. Sorry, M4. M4 means this first value. M4 and it is M7. Okay, instead of M7 at first you write here M5 for proper understanding. Then we will do for M7. M5. M5 means here it is 1. Okay, so others values are 0. Clear? Now what we know? We know that we have to combine all ones. So at first we have to try maximum number of ones can we combine. So here we can't combine 4 ones in any way, so we have to combine 2 1 separately. So you combine this one, this is one combinations, okay, and this is another combination. So all the ones are covered, so we don't need to do again here circle. But if you combine this at first, suppose you combine this one previously, then this one left only a single value, then again you have to combine this. So this value, this circle already contains those one which is already in a circle, so we don't need this circle. Okay, minimum number of circle we have, with the minimum number of circle we have to cover all the ones. So here we have 2 circle, one for this and another for this. So for this circle combinations we know that these are for horizontal value we have A, because this is A value, you can write here A bar A, and this is B bar, C bar, B bar C, B C, this is B C bar. Okay, so for these combinations, we have one common value in for horizontal value, and now for vertical value you can see that vertical value there are 2 values. For 2 columns 2 value. Here it is B bar C bar and it is B bar C. From that 2 values we have to take that variable which is common in both the column. B bar is common in both the column, but C bar is changed. So for this column we should take B bar, and for horizontal column we should take 1 A. So here for this circle our mean term is A, and for vertical column B bar. Again I am repeating, for horizontal column there is only single A, so A should be taken, and for vertical column there is two combinations of variable, and we have to take that variable which is common in both the columns. So B bar is common in both the column, but C and C bar is not common, so we have to take B bar. Now for this circle, let us see. This circle A bar is common, so you take A bar, and for these two value you can see B bar, C, B, C bar. So C is common in both the column, B bar is not common, so you can take C. Okay, so our functions is min term function for this A B bar plus, and for this circle A bar C. Okay, very easy. Just you have to proper concept. For horizontal value there is single value, so single value should be taken, and for vertical value, vertical column, as there is two variables, so we have to take that variable which is common in both the column. Okay, now let us see another example. Here also three variables, and this is our min term value. So for three variables our combinations is 8 combinations. A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and this is for 0, 1. Okay. Instead of 0, 0, 0, 1, you can write like this way, B bar, C bar, but I think this is better to remember you 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and then write the variables. So our values are, we know, M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Now put the values here. 1 is there, 1 means this. 3 is there, 3 means M3, then 4, M5, M7. Okay, so at first now other places are 0, 0, 0. Now we have to combine the ones. Okay, at first we have to see if it is possible as many as one in a combine. We can combine it this one, this one, this one by taking 2 ones at a time. But you can see here also 4 1 can be combined in a group. That means we can also combine this 4 1 in a group. So maximum number, as much as small circle is possible in a combinations, we have to make that circle. So we combine this 4 group because this can be grouped in a easily in a group, these 4 ones, and here also 1 1 is left, so you have to combine it separately. Clear? Now for this circle 1 1, this is individual 1 means this is for A, and for this 2 value 0 is common, 0 means B bar is common, and 0 and 1 is different in both the column, because for this column we know that which one is common we have to take, so we have to take B bar. So for the first circle we have to take A bar, B bar. Now for the second circle, you can see for the second circle, for horizontal value we have it, this circle there are 2 horizontal value row and 2 vertical column. So for 2 horizontal rows you can see that these are A bar and A, so both are not common, both are not same. So for horizontal value any value cannot come into consideration of min term. And for vertical column you can see one is 0 and 1, so first term not is taken into consideration, second is 1 in 1. That means second term is have to take in consideration. Second term means C, C means it is B bar C, it is B C, it is B C bar. So which one is common? C is common. So for this value we have to take C. So our min term expression is if A B C equals to A B bar plus C. Okay. Now there is another example. Suppose if A B C equals to sum M 0 1 2 4 7. Okay, so obviously 3 term means 4 value A B C 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Our values are 0 means here it is 1, 1 means here it is 1, 2 means here it is 1, 4 means here it is 1, 7 means here it is 1, and others are 0. Okay, now we have to make combine. Here it is, we can't make 4 ones in a single circle, leave it. Now we have to take 2 ones, so 1 1 is for this. Here is also single one, so here we can have to make another circle. Now this one is single, this one is single, this one cannot, if there is a single one we can combine it. If this is 1 and this is 1, if we combine it like this way, we can also make a combinations of this circle by rounding it. If we round it, then we can also make a combinations of 1. But with this one, we cannot, there is no 1, so we cannot make a round of it. So we have to make it a single value. We have to circle all the 1 in any ways. If there is a no combinations, then we have to combine it a single one. Now we take, for there are 4 circle. This is 1 circle, this is 2 circle, this is 3 circle, and this is 4th circle. There are 4 circle, mind it. Okay, so for 1 circle our values are, it takes 2 rows, so 2 rows means different value, so any row value cannot come into consideration. So for vertical value, only one vertical value, so it is for B bar C bar. So for 1 it is B bar C bar. Clear? For 2, this is in a row, this is row means we have to consider this value and this value, and for a single value, that is A. So for one single, in a single, we have to take consider both the row and column. For both the row, as it is a single row, so A0 means A bar, so A bar should be in considered, and for these combinations 0 0 1 0, that means first value B bar C, B C, B C bar. You can see B bar C bar and B C bar. So common is C bar, so it comes C bar. Which one is common? We must take into consider that value. For third value, it is a single value. Single value means these also come A bar, A for row value, and as it is single value B C, so it is A B C should come into consider. And for this circle means for row A bar, and for column you can take consider these two values, so B bar is common, this is for B bar. Okay, so for our, there are 4 terms, so our values are F A B C. Just add it means add the term using OR operator. Okay, This is how a Carnot map do work. Just to combine all the ones, and for any row value and column value within the circle, we have to take only the value which are in common. If there is a single row or single column, we have to take both the value. But if there are two column or two row is in consideration, then we have to take the common value between the two rows and two columns, because you can see that this is in this circle column is a single column, so B bar C bar should take into consider. But as for there is a two row and both the values are different, so any row value cannot come into consider. And for this value, as it is in one single row, so row value come into consider A bar. And for the common value, as there is two column, we have to take into consider those value which is in our common value. That means we have to take B bar in consider. Okay, so this is how we do Carnot map. There is also one point, don't care condition. We will do it in our next video, next class.